Follow me now beside the shore. This water's seen the world before, and I whispered, feel its song. It's waited here for ages long. Blazzy smiled, let's cast a glow. Crystals dance beneath below.
For it shines a mirror of skies, truth reflected in our eyes. Peace is born where waters flow. The lake remembers all we know. They sailed across the glowing blue, hearing whispers soft and true. Every drop the lake replied is starlight that has never died. In the stillness, hearts align, earth and heaven intertwine. Lake of light, so pure, so old.